Yeah, hi, this is Arpit Gupta, and in this video, we'll be sharing some basic concepts of Python. In my last video, I have shown you uh, the installation of Python, that how can we install the Python program in a Linux machine. So I have shown you uh, uh, by installing the Python in Linux in Red Hat operating system. So I hope you uh, okay with the installation. Uh, yeah, and in this class, I'll discuss some basic concepts, the starting point of the Python, that how can we install, that how can we start from the Python, right? How can we write that, how to write a basic script, how to start writing the scripts in Python. So here, let's get started. So here I'll show you to write the basic scripts, the basic program in Python, right? So in Python, you have two options. First of all, you can acquire the Python's prompt like this, and you'll get the Python's prompt. Here, three arrows showing that you have got the Python's shell. You are into the Python's shell. Now you can write your Python's program here on a runtime basis, right? And you can run any program written in Python language, right? So here I'm taking an example. Suppose I want to print hello good morning or something else. So this is the basic program in Python. So we always start from the basics, and then we go to uh, in an end, right? So let's start with the basic program. So here I'll show you that how can we write a program which will be printing hello good morning. What we do in bash shell scripting, we use echo command to print any string to show the output. In Python, I'll use print command, right? Print double quotes. I want to write hello good morning, right? So yeah, so I'll just type print space in double quotes. I'll explain the meaning of double quotes, single quotes, and triple quotes later, later with this class, or in the next class. But right now, just look at the script, look at the program. It is just saying that print hello good morning, and I'll just terminate this program. That I'm done with the program. I just press enter, and it will show the output, right? Yeah, so this is the first method which we can use to execute the Python's program, right? So in this uh, in this Python programming, we don't need to compile the program after writing it, right? So this is very easy part to use the Python. If I have to write the codes in C language or in Java to print the same string, so it would take around 5 to 6 lines of coding, right? So this is very easy. Python is very easy to use, right? Easy to use, easy to write, and easy to understand. Okay, yeah. So here I've shown you that I can run, I can type, I can run the Python program in real time, and instantly I'll get the output, right? And we can do one more thing. We can write the script of Python in a file, in a separate file, and later on we can execute that Python script whenever we need to execute that file. All right. So here I'm under this Python directory, which is a random directory I've created. Okay, so I'll just create a file. Suppose I'm creating a file by any name. Suppose I'm creating welcome dot. Yeah, one more thing to remember, that uh, the scripts of Python will be having .py extension. If you will see any file with .py extension, that it means that that file belongs to Python. That is the Python script, right? So the py shows that this file belongs to the Python. this file is the script of the Python, or the content of this file is written in Python language, right? So here I'm taking a random name. It is welcome, and the extension must be py of all the Python's file. So I'll just create a file. Yeah. So whenever we write a script, whether it is in Bash shell scripting or Python, we always start the script with the shebang or shebang or magic pattern. We call it from so many different names. So what is shebang? It is nothing but it only shows that this script belongs to this program. So suppose in Bash shell scripting we used to type bin bash, so means it's showing that this script belongs to the bash shell, right? But in Python we will use the path of the Python. So usr bin Python. So this magic sorry, it's not Python, it's Python. Yeah, so this line we call it shebang, shebang or shebang or magic pattern, and so many other names are there. It only shows that this file belongs to Python, right? Yeah, the significance of this shebang is this. Okay, so let's type the same program in this file. So if I want to print hello good morning, so I'll just use double quote, then the same set of strings, then I'll type good morning. Suppose yeah, I belong to India, so I'll just type good morning India. Yeah, double quotes close, and here I'm terminating my syntax, or I can say terminating my program. So whenever we want to terminate the program, so we'll use semicolon. Now I'm done, my program is completed. It is only one line of code, right? So it is very easy to write codes in Python. I'll just save this file. Yeah, so now you have two ways to execute this file, right? The first way is that you can execute like this, type Python, then your Python script, so it will show you the output, right? And another way is there, how we execute the bash shells file, like this, bash and the script's path, right? And one more method was there, we just type dot slash and that script, and then we press enter. So it shows the output of that file, of that script, right? Okay, so the same methods we can follow in Python language. Okay, so I'll just try to execute that welcome.py file. I'll just check whether it is working or not, right? It is showing the error, which is permission error, permission denied, right? So I'll just check the permission of this file. Correct. So this file doesn't have the execute permission for anyone, right? So that this file is not executed. So if I want to execute this file, so I need to give the permission of execution to that file. So I'll just allow the file to be executed. I'll just give the permission of X to that file. So I'll just giving the permission py. Now again I'll try to explain. So yeah, so now right now the tab is also working. Okay, yeah, so I'll just press enter. So you can see that that this method also works. It is showing the output from the file which is hello good morning India. Yeah, right. So I hope it is clear that how can we start the Python language. I mean, writing the program, writing a basic script in Python, right? So this is how we can execute a program, execute a script in Python. Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, there are some things which are unlike the language in Python, right? One of the things is the indentation. Whenever we'll write a program, whenever we'll write the script, so we need to consider the indentation in Python language. So what does it mean by indentation? I'll just show you an example. Right? Python provides no braces to indicate blocks of the code for class and functions definitions of flow control. Blocks of code are denoted by the indentation, which is rigidly enforced. Okay, it is rigidly enforced that you have to work like that. The number of spaces in the indentation is variable, but all statements within the block must be indented the same amount. All right, I'll read the line again. The number of spaces in the indentation is variable, correct? But all statements within the block, all statements within a block must be indented the same amount. For example, I'll show you an example that how it works, that how the indentation works in Python. Right. So here I'll just uh, show you by given an example. So here I'm creating a file, suppose by any name. The extension must be py. So okay, so I'm creating a file indent.py. Yeah. So whenever we start the program by showbang. So usr bin python. Right. So suppose here I'm giving you an example. I'll just type true, a semicolon, print true. Right. Okay. Just let me complete, then I'll explain. So here I'm using if else statement. So I'll explain about this later on this class or in some coming classes. So in this example, I'm just showing you the indentation part, not that this if else and other things, right? So I'm just showing you that how indentation works. So my focus is the indentation in this file. So right here, suppose I'm typing false, correct? So this is, look, this is a block, this is the if block, and here in if block there's only one statement. There might be many statements, more than one, but right now the if block, this is one block, and what this if block is containing only one statement. Same is the same for the else block. Else, so this is a block, this entire block, and this is the statement, right? So now if I'll try to execute this script, so I'll just try to execute the script. Python, the script is indent, so it is showing the output, right? So the indentation part is this. Okay, I'll show you another example. I'll show you another example by which you will be clear with the indentation part. So I'm just giving you another example. Right here I'm typing suppose answer, and again I'll give another statement which is anything. Suppose I'm giving true, oh sorry, true. Okay, and else part, I've wrote like this. So this is the indentation part. The amount of the space between the statements must be same. So in this block the indentation is same, but in this block the indentation is not same, right? So I'll just show you. So first I'll just same the indentation. Yeah, right now it is okay. Okay, I'll show you the I'll show you that how this script runs. So I'll just show you python indent.py, right? I'm getting an output answer true because the indentation is correct. Now I'll just try to change the indentation. I'll just try to change any indentation, right? So suppose I have just like this. So right now this is not indented, like right? Yeah. So see, now I'll again try to execute this file. See, it is showing an error, indentation error. unindent doesn't match any outer indentation level, right? So, and here it is showing the line number 2, I mean line number 10, print false. The indentation error is in this line, right? So this is how we need to uh, consider the indentation whenever we'll write a program in Python, which is unlike other languages like C and Java. We don't consider the indentation, but in Python you need to consider the indentation whenever you write a program in Python, right? So here uh, I'll I have explained that in a block all the statements must have the same indentation, the same amount of space, right? Yeah, yeah. So now I think it is clear to you. It must be clear to you. Okay, so let's move forward with another things in Python. So just wait. I'll just explain other things. Some more things are left in Python, which is multi-line statement. Multi-line statement. I'll just type it. Multi-line. Sorry, it's multi-line statement, right? So what is multi-line statement? Statements in Python typically ends with a new line, right? Python does, however, allow the user of the line continuation character, which is this, oh no, which is this slash, right? This slash, this symbol is called in Python line continuation character to denote that the line should continue, right? So how can we use this character? I'll just show you by a script. Suppose I'm just reading a script multi.py. So see of it's like I'm just typing total something something item one. It can be any number, anything, right? So here plus, if I want, then I can write like this item2, sorry, item2, or I'll just use this symbol. I'll press enter. So it means it's showing that the line is continued, and here I'm just typing item2 to item2, and again I'll use the symbol. So like this we can do this. So this program is uh, showing that this is only this is a single line, right? Just because I'm using the line continuation character, so it means that this belongs to a single line. So and so on, plus then I can use like this, right? Yeah, suppose, okay, statements contained within this bracket, and this bracket do not need to use the line continuation character. If you are using the brackets, then you don't need to use the line continuation character. Suppose here I'm taking another example. Suppose you have okay, you have used the symbol like suppose you're typing Sunday, Monday, and something something. Okay, I just need to close this single Tuesday or something, right? And suppose I press enter here, and something like that, and again Friday. Okay, then single quote I need to single quote. Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday, suppose. Yeah. So if I'm using a bracket, so I don't need to use the line continuation character. This is also correct, same like that. Okay, yeah, yeah. So I hope it is clear to you now. Okay, let's move forward. Now we'll discuss about the quotations in Python, right? The single quote, double quote, triple quote. What are these? Okay, Python accepts single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes to denote string as long as the same type of quote starts and ends the strings. The triple quotes are used to span the string across multiple lines. For example, all the following are legal. Look, we use single quote for a word. We use double quotes for a sentence, for a line, and we use triple quotes for a paragraph, like which have multiple lines, multiple words, right? So it is the things. We use single quotes to denote the word. We use double quotes to show the sentence, to denote the sentence, right? And we use triple quote. Use triple quote like this to show that this is a paragraph. This is a paragraph. Correct. Yes, so this is how we can use the quotations in Python. Right. I can use comment. I can use also comments in Python like we do in Bash shell scripting. So whenever we want to give any comment in any Python script, so we use the hash before that line, before that thing, right? Suppose here I'm typing. I've created a script, if you remember, the indent.py. Let's take indent.py as an example. uh, indent.py. Yeah, so here I'll just if I want to use the command, then I can use the command like this. I'll just press hash and just I can type anything to explain that program, or to just add on something, right? So here suppose I'm typing, this will show you uh, the answer false, suppose this. So this is a comment basically. So whenever you want to add a comment in Python script, so you need to use the hashtag before entering that line, or the beginning of the line actually. Yeah, so this is how we can use the comments in Python. So I guess this is good now. You are you are getting what I'm trying to convey. Yeah, so and we can also use some blank lines in Python. It's up to us. If you want to use the blank lines in Python, then we can use the blank lines. We can add multiple statements groups as suits. Actually, we call multiple statement groups as suit. A group of individual statement which makes a single code block are called suits. You get it? A group of individual statements which make a single code block are called suits in Python. Statements can be compound or complex, such as if, while, def, and class require a header line and a suit. Header line begin the statement and terminate with a colon and are followed by one or more lines which make up the suit. For example, I'll show you some example later. Right now, I won't show you an example. So yeah, so some more things are in Python to discuss. Some more things are there to discuss about variables and some other things. So here If you want to take the help of the Python's program, then you can take the help of Python's program like this. You, you just write Python hyphen h, so it will show you some the options, some options which you can use with the Python. Okay, so I think it's enough for this class. The beginning level of the Python is started. I'll just upload some more classes, some more videos to share the things about Python. And if you want to contact me for personal classes, then I also provide online classes for Python and for Linux courses like RSCE, RSCSA, server hardening, virtualization, Puppet, and all. Right. So if you want to get in touch with me, then you can communicate me through my email ID. My email ID is guptaarpit6011 @gmail.com. You can connect me from WhatsApp, Facebook. My WhatsApp number is 9599 748022. You can contact me whenever you feel any doubt or you want to talk to me, or or when you just want to share something with me, then I'll be there for you. Bye bye. Take care. I'll see you in next class.